Hi, so today we're going over a Leetcode question called consecutive characters given the string. The power of the string is the maximum length of non-empty substring that contain only one unique character. Return the power of the string. So you can see if your input is Leetcode, then the longest substring with one unique character is EE, so we output there its length too. And for this string, you can see the longest substring with a unique character is this, so we output its length, so on and so forth. So our solution is basically write a for loop or while loop to go through each element in the string and compare to its neighbor. If it's like equal, then we increase our count by 1, and if it's not equal, we reset our count, yeah, and at the end we just return the maximum. Okay, so for I in range I to length of s. So basically I'm saying that for each character starting from index 1. So I'm basically comparing its every character to its left character. So if si is equal to si minus 1, we increase our count, right? By 1. So we have to initialize our count to 1. The reason is 1 is because, for example, if your input is Leetcode, forget about the L, right? So our count is initialized at 1. And whenever we see there is another E, then the count should be 2, right? So we have to initialize our count as 1. Okay. If it's not equal, just like this case, we have to reset our count to 1. The reason we have to reset it to 1 is because our count is like using the for loop, and the count can be really big because of the previous calculation. So for example, the count here is 5 already, right? And you go to that's not a good example. So the count here is 3, let's say, and when you go to D is not equal to C. If you just increase the count by 1, then it's the count right now is 4, but for D, the count here should be 1, right? So you always have to reset, and no matter it's the same character as the previous one or a different number,